Hi everybody, here's a video on how to have digital video going into your stereo from a Charter Motorola cable box, and this box is a DCX 3520 Echo mic, DCX 3520 E-M, and again this is Charter cable. So why do you want to have digital audio? Well, you can get all the advanced formats like Dolby 5.1 and many different formats into a compatible stereo. This stereo here isn't all that new, but it has optical inputs here in the back that accept this square optical cable. So the first thing you better do is make sure you have the optical enabled with the cable box. To do that, you're going to want to go to menu and set up. So let's make sure this thing is ready to go. So what I'll do then is hit the menu key here. There's the menu. I'm going to go to home here. And now I'm going to go to setup. Going to go to audio setup. Okay. And I'm going to use the audio track on the channel, which is default. That means it'll have different languages. Now this audio output is interesting. Here we can have stereo TV speakers. So you don't want TV speakers. So since I have a complex digital output, I'm going to go to advanced. You probably don't want heavy compression. Matrix, I'm guessing this has the complex output matrix. If you go to stereo or mono, you don't want those, so I'm gonna go here to matrix. And I'll leave it heavy compression. So that sets up the box. So hit your menu key and exit. Okay, now what you wanna do is get your actual cable here. Sorry about the dogs. And you want to plug this thing into the back of the box here. There's the digital output. You can see it says digital audio here. And you plug the cable in carefully. It'll only go in one way, and there's a little ridge here. So you definitely want to get that ridge in where it goes. I'm just going to press it in here and turn it until it kind of slips in. It's not easy to get it in. You don't want to break it either. Looking at it here, the ridge looks to be on the right. There's actually two ridges. There, I felt it went in. Just don't force it. Now you push it until it clicks. It'll lock in. And there, that clicked. So to verify it's working, you want to look at the end of it. And there should be some laser light coming out. Don't put that in your eye, it'll damage your retina, okay? But you can see there's laser light. Now, come down to your stereo. Find the correct input. I know mine is the second one right here. And so my input's right here. You can see the light coming out of here. There, click it in. And voila. Now you have audio.
Well, Ryan is the one who assisted in disposing of the body. The question of why or how still remains.
Okay, so what's interesting here is then
There were three other witnesses.
you can basically look at what type of format it's running. And on this stereo, this is an Integra. It's rather old actually, but I can select a mode here which is direct. And what direct means is it should decode whatever's coming down the optical wire. So now if I change channels here,
sons of several prominent families were involved in the cover-up.
And I gotta turn the box around to change channels.
The only one behind bars.
There we go.
I'm checking in with Philip Hollow.
Okay. If I change channels, you'll note that we get like HD up here, 5.1. This channel should have 5.1 on it. So that channel has 5.1 Dolby. And down here, you'll see the Dolby 5.1 symbol. So just make sure it's working right. When I change channels, you'll see that symbol ought to go off. And here I don't see it doing anything. So if this isn't changing, you may want to change your audio format with the cable box to make sure that's working right. This should be changing. So I'm going to change that around and make a second video. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.